All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 012208, State versus Keonsae Smith. Can I have parties announce?
You're in the crane behalf of Mr. Smith, who's to my right.
Are you Mr. Smith?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Sir, you need to have a seat. All right, Mr. Smith, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
And up to $10,000. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand if the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yeah.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Very much so.
Mr. Smith, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain agreement with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, according to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 5 years. The state is silent on your application. There's a $1,500 fine. There's to be registration, no contact with the complainant, TAP evaluation, Mick Myoff evaluation. And counsel, the court is aware that ADA Unkefer was a part of the plea bargain agreement and that there were some issues with competency.
We did have him evaluating back clear, but just for the record, he does get a check from the government mental discipline.
All right, so Mr. Smith, did you understand that as your plea?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
State defense, is that the plea? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written trial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, any such motions?
No.
Then to the offense, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
No, there's no objection.
All right, state your excuse, thank you. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witness statements and police reports?
Yes, yes,
But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
yes, yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulations, testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachment and review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. We're proceeding with sentencing.
Yes, please.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just Your Honor, his mother has been very involved in this process. He got a lot of support back home. He does have a mental intellectual disability. He does receive, I believe, SSI. As a result of that, there was some concerns about that going in, and I think I got him clear by the competence evaluation. That report very well outlines his history of just limited cognitive understanding on something, also just I think you're on medication as well. And so we asked the court to take that into consideration. I think he's a good candidate for deferred adjudication. He doesn't have a criminal record. We asked the court to give him an opportunity.
All right. And I see in the stipulations that he was given his Amazon account information for somebody to use.
Yeah, that's correct.
All right, so is he going to be staying in Texas or?
He was arrested in Louisiana. This entire incident on his behalf took place in Louisiana, so he's not even from Texas. He would like the opportunity to go back.
Which parish?
Bienville.
Okay. All right, the court is going to sentence you to 5 years deferred adjudication. There will be a transfer to Bienville Parish. What city is that?
Arcadia, Louisiana.
Okay. All right, transfer to Bienville Parish. I don't know if that's Arcadia though.
It should be either Shreveport, Arcadia, or Monroe,
All right,
or Ringgold.
because I know it's, well, I know it's not Shreveport.
Could be Ringgold.
Okay, I'll look that up. All right, 5 years deferred adjudication, transfer to Bienville Parish, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, proof of employment or SSI within 45 days of release, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Who will you be living with?
My mother.
And are there any minors in the household?
No.
Okay, no residing in households with no unsupervised contact with minors. And I understand the facts of this case are a little bit different than normal, but I'm just putting this in here to make sure that things are as they should be. At some point in time, that can be lifted if, you know, he had brothers or sisters or something of that nature.
Thank you, Judge.
There's to be Chapter 62 compliance. There's to be no contact with the complainant. And we'll do a MIC evaluation. That can be done out of custody. Since he already has the SSI, they'll probably have the paperwork for that. And do you have a doctor back in Louisiana?
My main doctor, she moved about her name, and my mom knows all the information. I have any.
All right. And there's to be continued mental health treatment. And is that a private doctor?
No.
Do insurance is public?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. He's to do continued mental health treatment. And we'll have to find out where that is. Probation, there's also a $1,500 fine, and that'll be probated. Probation, is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, it says you waive your right to appeal. You do not have the court's permission to appeal. We'll do no possession of firearms as well. All right, up to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, and you say you have Christopher Meddy?
Judge, I'm on Fernando's on an ag robbery case. We're both appointed. My office is filing a motion to withdraw the wheel now, and I think Mr. Meddy indicated he wanted a different lawyer, and he's got a great one.
So are you going to be on that other case as well, counsel?
I am.
All right, you withdraw.
Thank you, Judge, I appreciate it. Thank you, Judge, I appreciate it. We'll get the motion filed.
All right, thank you. All right. Raymond Arredondo. Court is calling 2026 CR 0044777 State versus Raymond Arredondo. Can I have parties announced?
Good morning, Judge Alfonso Cabañas for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Arredondo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your
Find
Honor.
that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Arredondo, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes,
Did you
Your Honor.
review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
I do, Your Honor.
Are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge will be abandoning the enhancement, otherwise provisions, but otherwise.
You're proceeding on both counts? Oh, I'm sorry, there's one count.
Yeah,
No
my
problem.
apologies.
My fault. My fault. Any objections to the
No
waiver?
objection, Your Honor. No
All right,
objection,
Mr.
Your Honor.
Arredondo,
All right, Mr. Arredondo, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
All right, you're charged
All
with
right,
possession
you're
of a
charged with
controlled
possession of a
substance,
controlled substance,
felony group two,
felony group 2, 1 to 4 grams, that's a third degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere
10 years in
from
prison
10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea,
and gives you more than you
and
bargained
gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw
You
your
have a
plea.
right to jury
You have a
trial,
right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand if the
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could fine you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine.
Counsel, has your client been
able to provide you with any
He did, Your Honor.
defenses?
Do you
He did,
believe
Your
he has a
Honor.
Do you
rational
believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the
I
charges
believe he
against
does.
him?
I believe he does.
Do you believe he's currently confident and was legally sane at the time of the
Yes, I do, Your
offense?
Honor.
Mr.
Yes, I do, Your
Arredondo,
Honor.
has
Mr. Arredondo, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
Anyone
No, Your
promised you
Honor.
anything other than the plea?
Anyone promised you anything other than the
Are you
plea?
satisfied with the
No,
way
Are you satisfied with the way you've been
Yes, Your
represented?
Honor.
If
Yes,
you're
Your
not a
Honor.
U.S.
If
citizen,
you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization and re-entry. Did you
Yes, Your
understand?
Honor.
Court will
Yes,
find
Your
that
Honor.
defendant
Court will
has
find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial.
Did you review the plea
Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to
According to the plea punishment is to be assessed at $1,000 fine probated and the state recommends deferred
Did you understand
adjudication.
that to be the
Did you understand that to be the plea?
State defense is
Yes,
at the state defense is at the
It
plea?
is, Your Honor.
Yes, Judge.
It is, Your
Did
Honor.
you review the waiver with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both
By
places?
signing
Yes,
that,
Your
you're
Honor.
signing that you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pre-trial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Any such
Yes, Your Honor.
motions?
Any
No, Your
such
Honor.
motions?
No,
Outside
Your
the
Honor.
agreement,
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years, a TAP evaluation, 100 hours community service restitution, the DOEP course, MRT, and regular UAs. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state? And the court does not have to follow those
Yes, Your Honor.
recommendations.
Then to the
Yes, Your
offense,
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No
Any
contest.
evidence?
Any
Judge, we
evidence?
have to say exhibit number one, including all.
No
attachments.
objection to states. No objection to states one and
All right.
attachments, Your Honor.
All right. All right, state you may be excused. All right, state you may be
Did you
excused.
review the waiver and
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the
Yes, Your
appropriate
Honor.
places?
Again, did
Yes,
you
Your Honor.
understand?
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would follow the right to
Yes, Your
remain
Honor.
Did you
silent?
understand
Yes,
that
Your
today?
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did
Yes,
you
Your Honor.
understand?
Court will
Yes,
find that
Your Honor.
defendant
Court will
has
find that
knowingly
defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
All right, after viewing
All right, after viewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding you guilty as you apply for deferred
Are you
adjudication.
proceeding with sentencing?
Are you proceeding
Yes,
with
Your Honor.
sentencing?
Anything
Yes,
you
Your
wish to say
Honor.
on behalf of
Anything you
your
wish to say
client?
on behalf of your client?
We asked the court to follow the recommendation by the state. However, my client does want to address the court regarding community service hours, Judge.
Yes.
I wanted to know if there was a way I could substitute the community service hours with my work job, where I work at. I work at Caterpillar.
Mhm.
Since I work a lot of hours, I usually work Monday through Sunday. I never really have time to my job just comply I'm a quality inspector. Do a lot of packing.
If you drug tested today, what would the results be?
It would be negative. It would be positive. I mean, it would be positive for
Okay.
marijuana.
So if you're doing
So if you're doing heavy lifting and packing, you need to stop using marijuana. Why are you using?
Just stress. Sometimes I get stressed out, or people usually at work, just a lot of stress got going on.
But it's never the job. It's always the people. That's what my mom always
And I
tells
find
me.
that sometimes to be very true.
to be very true.
So, do you have any children? Do you have any
Yes, Your Honor, I
children?
do. Yes, Your Honor, I do.
What are their ages?
1-year-old and a 7-month.
And do they live with you? And do they
Yes,
live
Your
with
Honor,
you?
they do. Yes, Your Honor,
And
they
what's
do.
up with the tattoos?
And what's up with the tattoos?
Something I did prison when I went to
Okay,
prison.
what's the one
Okay,
above your
what's the
eye?
one above your eye?
Islam. It means Islam, Muslim.
Okay.
Muslim.
Okay.
All right, I'm always
All right,
curious.
I'm always
about
curious
body
about
art.
body artwork.
All right, this is what the court is
All
going
right,
to
this
do.
is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person.
Regular UAs,
Regular
test for
UAs,
levels.
tests for levels.
So you're going to have to
So
stop
you're going to have to stop using
marijuana.
It's not allowed while you're on probation unless you
a
have
prescription. You
a
understand?
prescription. You understand?
And if there are some
And if there are some mental health issues going
now's
on,
the time to have
now's
those
the time to have
addressed,
those addressed. Okay.
So there'll be a MIC
So there'll be a MIC
evaluation
evaluation out of custody,
gang evaluation,
gang evaluation
out of custody,
out of custody,
TAP evaluation
out of custody. Follow the recommendations for TAP evaluation. If it recommends inpatient
we'll start
treatment,
with
we'll start with
outpatient treatment.
There's $1,000 fine. It will be probated.
There should be 100
There should be
hours
100 hours of community service
I'm going to order
restitution.
parenting
I'm going to order
classes.
parenting
Once
classes. Once the
are
parenting
completed,
classes are
the
completed,
community
the
service
community
hours
service hours will be deemed satisfied.
Field visits one time per month
for 2 months.
Probation, is there anything
Probation,
else?
is there anything else?
Thank you.
Thank
Proof of
you.
employment,
Proof of
within 30
employment
days.
within 30 days.
There should be no
There
employment
should be no
as a
employment as a home health care provider
minors.
or with minors.
Anything else you need from
Anything
the court
else
to be
you need from the
successful?
court to be
No, Your Honor.
successful?
All right, did
No,
you
Your
review
Honor.
the
All right,
document
did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your
Did you
attorney?
understand it and
Did you
sign it?
understand it and
Yes, Your
sign
Honor.
it?
Because
Yes,
it's
Your
plea
Honor.
bargaining
Because
agreement.
it's plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal.
Yes,
You
Your Honor.
understand?
All right,
Yes,
and
Your Honor. I do.
All right, and
I need not remind you.
I
but
need not
because of that
remind you,
felony
but because of that
conviction
felony
you previously
conviction
had,
that you previously
you're not
had,
allowed to possess.
you're not
any
allowed to possess
firearms.
any firearms.
Yes, Your
Do you
Honor.
understand?
All
Yes,
right, if
Your
there's
Honor.
something
All
that
right, if there's
comes up
something
or
that comes up or you need something addressed, let your probation officer know about it. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the
Yes, Your
court.
All right,
Okay?
good luck to you.
Yes,
Thank
All
you.
right, good luck to you. Thank you,
Judge.
Judge.
A defendant appears before Judge Boyd facing serious charges with up to 10 years at stake. During the hearing, the court carefully reviews the defendant's background, probation status, and the facts of the case before reaching a surprising final decision. Watch as Judge Boyd's firm, no-nonsense approach leads to a courtroom verdict that keeps everyone on edge.